Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel Essential Academy Chemistry with Vinay. In this video, I am going to give you a complete information about the inductive effect. I am going to share the best trick box where you can solve all kinds of questions in this video, children. I am sure you will see that every kind of questions will be there that will be solved, and you can definitely do the best if a question comes based on inductive effect. Okay, then let us start the video. Let me first tell you what is inductive effect. What is inductive effect? What is an inductive effect? It is very simple, children. You can just observe this. In an inductive effect, what you observe is a alkyl group is there, a halide group is here in this. Here, this bond, what you are observing, is going to become polar. Sir, this bond becomes polar. So why is it becoming polar? It is because this element, what you are seeing, chloride, is more electronegative. It is more electronegative than the carbon, which is less electronegative. Because there is a difference in electronegativity between chloride and carbon, this bond becomes polar. And this will become the chloride. I'll just show you. You can understand still better, children. You can observe here. This chloride will show a -I effect, whereas this carbon and this whole part will be showing a +I effect. Because this is more electronegative in nature, it has a capacity to attract all the shared pair of electrons towards the chloride, and that is why chloride becomes minus, whereas the other group, which is going to be CH3, CH2, which has lost the electrons, the carbocation is formed, and this is a +I, whereas this part is going to be -I, minus inductive effect. I hope you have understood what is an inductive effect. An inductive effect, it is because of the difference in the electronegativity of the two elements which they have formed the bond, due to which the bond will break. Hope you have understood. Inductive means inside the family the bond is breaking. One of the member of the family is coming out of it. Let us go for the trick box now. It's very interesting. You can solve all kinds of questions, children. Let us go for the trick box now. Here is the trick box, children. I have made it for you so that you can solve, you get an idea of all what are the different types of question that will be based on an inductive effect, so that you can solve all questions, all type of questions. And we will also solve some of the questions in this video. Let me explain about this trick box, a super trick box that is of an inductive effect. If you observe here, first I have given you the list of the +I effect, the decreasing order. You can observe here the carbon with more number of CH3 group will show more +I effect. Then comes CH3 2 times with the carbon, then comes CH3 1 time with the carbon, and then comes CH3. So the more the number of carbon atoms, more will be the +I effect. Hope you have understood this. Again, come to the -I effect. This, what you are observing here, this whole part what is being seen, it is very, very important, this order. You need to write and practice. You need to memorize this. Definitely I'm going to come with one more video where I'm going to just tell you a small trick how you can remember the whole order. So in this order, if you observe, the first one is NF3, the one which has got the highest minus I effect. And you see the last, there is an alkene group which has got the least minus I effect. So this order is going to go in this direction so that you can observe the order of decreasing order of minus I effect. These groups are the order of the minus I effect. On the upper side, you can see the plus I effect. Very important, you need to practice these two. Then the third possible question you can observe here, a very important one, you can understand it very much better, that is the acidic strength. The acidic strength is directly proportional to minus I effect. More the acidic strength, more will be the minus I effect. The minus I effect is increasing, therefore acidic strength is also going to be increasing. Always do remember, the acidic strength is inversely proportional to plus I effect. So let us not go for that. We'll just concentrate on this one there, that minus I effect is directly proportional to the acidic strength. The next one very important point that you should remember is the basic strength is decided by the plus I effect. More the plus I effect, more will be the basic strength of that compound. Come to the next one, a very important one, that is dipole moment. Greater the I effect, greater the inductive effect. More the inductive effect, more will be the dipole moment. Greater the inductive effect, greater is the dipole moment. Hope you have understood this whole part of the trick box. I am sure children, you can, this is the only 5 concepts that is going to be related to the inductive effect, where you can solve all the kinds of questions that is based on this inductive effect. Now straight away we'll solve some of the questions by using this inductive effect super trick box. Let us start with a few questions, but before going to the questions, just let me tell you a simple concept about the acidic strength, how does it affects, how to solve the questions based on the basic strength, how to solve the questions based on the dipole movement. Let us do that first, children. Yes children, if you observe here, let us find the order of the acidic strength, the one which has got the highest acidic strength, and how does the acidic strength order is going to be in this. If you observe, everywhere we have a carboxylic acid. Now this group, what you are seeing here, NO2 group, F fluorine group and CH3 group, that will decide the acidic strength. If you observe, NO2 group and F group is both are minus I effect. It shows minus I effect, whereas CH3 will show a plus I effect. I just told you that acidic strength is directly proportional to minus I effect. So minus I effect is directly proportional to acidic strength. Coming to the minus I effect, if you look into the chart, if you look into this chart, if you observe here, first comes NO2, then comes F. Therefore, NO2 will show more the minus I effect than the F. Therefore, coming back to this question, you can easily understand that this will be showing more acidic strength because of NO2 group. Then after that, then comes this one, because this is showing a plus I effect. Hope you have understood how you can easily find out which one is more acidic in nature. Come to the next one, we have the basic strength. In case of a basic strength, children, again, if you observe the trick box, I'll just tell you that the basic strength is directly proportional to plus I effect. Therefore, if we go back to here in the plus I effect, you can observe here more the number of carbon. You can observe this is the branched part, tertiary carbocation. This is a tertiary carbon where it is going to be showing more inductive effect, more plus I effect. Then comes CH2, CH3 twice, and then CH3, CH2. So if you look into this example, children, if you look into this example, the more will be shown by which part? Which of them will be showing more the inductive effect? I mean, plus more is the basic strength. If you observe here, among these two, this has got the branched tertiary carbocation where it will be showing more plus I effect. This is showing more plus I effect. Then you can observe here, this is the one where it has got CH3 carbon atoms or more, 3 times of carbon atoms. Therefore, this will show more plus I effect than compared to the next one. So therefore, this will be your order for finding the basic strength. So this has got more basic strength. It's because of more plus I effect. Then comes this one. And then comes this one. So I hope you have understood to find the basic strength. Let us move on to the dipole movement. Dipole movement is decided by directly, that is inductive effect is directly proportional to the dipole movement. Now let us see, among these, all these are plus I, this is plus I, this is plus I, this is plus I. They all are same. Then we have to look into the one which is going to be minus I effect, which is going to be showing more minus I effect. Stronger the minus I effect. We'll go back to the order now. We have NO2, COOH, fluorine and OH. Let us go back to the box. If you look into the box, first comes NO2. First comes NO2. After NO2, then comes COOH. After COOH, then comes fluorine. Then after the fluorine, then comes oxygen. Therefore, the first, more the dipole moment, more inductive effect is seen in this one. After NO2, then comes COOH. After COOH, then comes fluorine and then comes OH. So this is the order of the dipole moment. More dipole moment is seen in this compound, that is CH3NO2, because more the inductive effect will be seen in this one, then more will be the dipole moment. I hope you have understood how to find the acidic strength, basic strength as well as the dipole movement by using the inductive effect chart. Now let us quickly solve some of the questions so that we can understand it still better. Here we have the first question. Which of the following is correct with respect to minus I effect of the substituents? Which one is correct? Let us see and find it out now. So if you observe here, you can easily make out that in this option, the correct one, if you see, NR2 is given, OR is given, F is given. So which is the correct one? If let us see the first option, whether it is correct. NH2. So NH2 is where you can take here, NH2 is coming first. Okay. Then comes OR. Yes. Okay. Then comes R. Then comes F. So if we go in this direction, what will be the correct answer? Let me just let us see. Let us go one by one. Okay. Here is the NH2. First comes NH2. After NH2, then comes OR. After OR, then before comes F. Therefore, first NH2, which will be showing less minus I effect. Less minus I effect. Then comes OR, then comes F. Therefore, definitely option A is the correct answer. Where NH2, then comes OR. This order, what has been seen here, is the correct option. Option A is the correct. Definitely children, you also just try these other three options with the given chart where you can easily find out that they are not in the correct order. We'll go quickly, and this is the question that was asked in NEET 2018. We'll go for one more question. In this question, if you observe, which of the following alkyl groups has maximum plus I effect? I am sure you will do this in 1 second. Yes, children, yes. This is the D is the option, because more the number of carbon atoms is seen in this compound. So this alkyl group is showing more the number of carbon atom, more will be the plus I effect. Yes, it was a very quite easy question. We'll go for one more question now. In this question, if you observe, minus I effect is shown by or showed by which of them? CH3, definitely it is going to show a plus I effect. Yes, sir. This also will show a plus I effect. And this shows minus I effect, and this shows minus effect. In these two, who comes first? Who comes first? NO2 comes first. Then comes OH. Where is OH? Sir, here is the OH. Therefore, this is the one which will show a maximum minus I effect. I am sure you have understood this question also. We'll go for the next one. In this question, they are asking about the plus I effect. I'll just take a bit downside this side so that you can understand it. Plus I effect is shown by dash. This minus BR, that is BR, you know that it is minus I effect. This also shows a minus I effect. This also shows a minus I effect. The only one which shows a plus I effect, that is CH3. Yes, sir, CH3 shows a plus I effect. Whereas Br, NO2 and Cl, if you look into the box, they are coming under minus I effect. But in this question, they are asking you the one which shows the plus I effect. Plus inductive effect. Hope you have understood the concept very well. Hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, definitely for more videos, I'll be coming with the more and more videos. Subscribe to my channel, children, and I will be seeing that I'll try to give the best tricks and the best ideas so that you can solve all kinds of questions. So these are all the possible questions that is based on the inductive effect. Hope you have liked this video. Click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of all the newly uploaded video. I'll see that from next on I will try to upload more and more videos. That's it in this, children. We'll meet again in the next concept. See you again.